Welcome to Chasing the Dream, travel tips, tours and advice. There she is, the Enchanted Princess, our home for the next 10 days around the Caribbean. We're now on the Enchanted Princess, just making our way to our cabin. Come join us. Long walking corridors. Yep. Alright, we have got lots of wardrobe space, a few hangers, also plenty of storage with a safe. Nice. Into the bathroom. So we do have an inside cabin, whereas last year we was on Sky Princess and we had a balcony cabin. Into the master bedroom. Plenty of storage, double bed, TV, more storage here. Got a nice fridge. And that one has a hairdryer in it. Thanks for watching, we really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you in the next one.